The Dodge Challenger Hellcat is a muscle car legend. With over 700 horsepower, a supercharged V8, and a thunderous exhaust note, it delivers insane power that makes it one of the most exciting cars on the road. But while the Hellcat's performance is undeniable, reliability is another story. Many owners quickly realize that maintaining and driving a Hellcat isn't as smooth as they expected. From engine wear to costly repairs, this car has some serious drawbacks that make it less reliable than you might think. So today, we're counting down the top 10 reasons why the Dodge Challenger Hellcat might not be the best long-term choice when it comes to reliability. If you're thinking about getting one, make sure you know what you're getting into. 10. Engine stress and wear. The Hellcat's 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 is a powerhouse, but all that power comes at a cost. This engine is under extreme stress every time you push it to its limits. Unlike naturally aspirated engines, supercharged engines generate a lot more heat and pressure, which accelerates wear over time. The internals of the Hellcat engine are strong, but they are constantly working under heavy loads, especially when the car is driven aggressively. Components like the pistons, bearings, and valve train experience more strain than in lower-powered cars. Over time, this can lead to engine failures if proper maintenance isn't followed strictly. Many owners have reported premature engine wear, especially in vehicles that have been pushed hard on the street or track. 9. Cooling system struggles. With great power comes great heat, and the Hellcat generates a lot of it. The supercharger forces extra air into the engine, which increases performance, but also raises the temperature significantly. To counteract this, the Hellcat has a high-performance cooling system, but it's not always enough. Many owners report overheating issues, especially in hot climates or during extended periods of aggressive driving. The intercoolers and radiators need to work overtime to keep temperatures in check, and if they fail or underperform, the engine can overheat quickly. Some owners have had to upgrade their cooling systems to ensure consistent performance, adding an extra cost to an already expensive car. 8. Transmission weaknesses. The Hellcat is available with both an 8-speed automatic and a 6-speed manual transmission. While both are capable of handling high power, they are not bulletproof. The manual transmission, in particular, has been known to develop clutch and synchro issues when subjected to repeated hard launches and aggressive shifting. Even the automatic transmission, which is generally stronger, isn't free from issues. With over 700 horsepower being sent to the rear wheels, the transmission takes a lot of abuse, and over time, the fluid, seals, and internal components wear down faster than in lower-powered cars. Transmission replacements and rebuilds are not uncommon for high-mileage Hellcats. 7. Differential and drivetrain issues. With all that power being sent to the rear wheels, the Hellcat's differential and axles are under constant strain. Many owners have reported rear differential failures, especially in cases where the car is frequently launched hard from a stop. The factory axles are strong, but if you take the Hellcat to the drag strip or do frequent burnouts, they can snap. Upgraded aftermarket axles are available, but they add to the overall cost of ownership. Replacing a differential isn't cheap, and some owners have had to do it more than once. 6. Brakes and tire wear. With great power comes great stopping responsibility. The Hellcat is equipped with Brembo performance brakes, which are fantastic at bringing the car to a stop, but they wear out fast. Because the car is heavy and incredibly fast, the brakes are under a lot of stress, especially if you drive aggressively. Brake pads and rotors don't last as long as they would in a less powerful car. Tires are another major issue. The Hellcat comes with high-performance summer tires, but with all that power going to the rear wheels, they wear down quickly, sometimes in just a few thousand miles. If you like to do burnouts or drive aggressively, expect to replace your rear tires frequently, which isn't cheap. 5. Fuel consumption is a nightmare. Nobody buys a Hellcat expecting great gas mileage, but even with that in mind, the fuel consumption is shocking. The Hellcat's 6.2-liter supercharged V8 is an absolute powerhouse, but that performance comes at the cost of extreme fuel thirst. On average, the Hellcat manages around 15 mpg miles per gallon in mixed driving, but if you push it hard, like most owners tend to, it can drop into single digits. With a 70-liter, 18.5-gallon fuel tank, A full tank of premium gasoline disappears quickly. On the highway, the mileage is slightly better, but city driving is brutal. Stop-and-go traffic, idling, and sudden accelerations eat up fuel at an alarming rate. If you plan on using this as a daily driver, expect frequent stops at the gas station, and don't be surprised if fuel costs become a major expense. The Hellcat is all about power, but that power comes with a serious price at the pump. 4. Heavyweight hurts agility. The Dodge Challenger Hellcat is built like a tank. Weighing in at around 2,000 kilograms, 4,400 pounds, it's one of the heaviest muscle cars on the market. While the weight gives it stability at high speeds, it also makes the car feel sluggish when it comes to handling. Compared to rivals like the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 and Ford Mustang GT500, the Hellcat struggles in corners. The extra weight also puts more stress on the brakes, tires, and suspension, meaning they wear out faster than they would on a lighter car. Hard braking takes longer, and sharp turns require more effort. If you enjoy twisty roads or track days, the Hellcat isn't as nimble as you'd hope. It excels in straight-line acceleration, but when it comes to agility and responsiveness, the weight holds it back. For those who want a true corner-carving sports car, this might be a deal-breaker. 3. Expensive repairs and maintenance. The Hellcat isn't just expensive to buy, it's expensive to own and maintain. Everything from oil changes to brake replacements costs more than in a standard muscle car. The supercharger, in particular, requires special maintenance, and if something goes wrong with it, repairs can be incredibly costly. Even routine maintenance like spark plugs, oil changes, and fluid replacements cost significantly more than a regular car. Dodge recommends high-quality synthetic oil and premium fuel, which adds to the ownership cost. And if something major breaks, expect a hefty repair bill. 2. Poor build quality and interior issues. Dodge isn't exactly known for having the highest build quality, and the Hellcat is no exception. Many owners have reported rattles, squeaks, and cheap interior materials that wear out quickly. The seats and dashboard materials don't feel as premium as you'd expect for a car with a six-figure price tag. Electronics are another weak point. Some owners have experienced issues with the infotainment system, unresponsive touchscreens, and faulty sensors. While the car's performance is top-notch, its interior and reliability in small details leave much to be desired. 1. Depreciation and resale value. One of the biggest downsides to the Hellcat is how quickly it depreciates. While it holds value better than some other muscle cars, it still loses a significant chunk of its value in just a few years. Part of this is due to high maintenance costs and reliability concerns. Many buyers are wary of getting a used Hellcat because they assume it has been driven hard, which hurts resale value. If you plan on selling it after a few years, don't expect to get back anywhere near what you paid for it. Conclusion. The Dodge Challenger Hellcat is an absolute monster of a car, delivering insane power and thrilling performance. But when it comes to reliability and long-term ownership, it has some serious drawbacks. From engine stress to transmission failures, high maintenance costs, and poor fuel economy, this car demands a lot from its owner. That doesn't mean the Hellcat isn't worth it. If you know what you're getting into and can handle the costs, it's one of the most exciting muscle cars ever made. But if you're looking for something reliable and low maintenance, this might not be the best choice. What do you think? Is the Hellcat worth the hassle? Or are these issues deal breakers? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.